I'm Dante, and this is your Home Improvement Minute. A question came in and asked, what is the best way to remove a cinder block wall? Before you remove a masonry wall, or any wall for that matter, you have to determine whether it's a bearing wall, supporting roofs, ceilings, other walls. If you're unsure, let an engineer investigate it and get the determination in writing. If it is a non-bearing wall, start from the top and slowly work your way down using a power chisel at the grout line. Remove a brick at a time. People make the mistake of trying to pull these over. These walls are incredibly heavy. Take your time, and again, work slowly. If it's already cracked or leaning, let a professional do it. This has been your Home Improvement Minute.